from exercise. What is the interest of rupees 1080 after 4 years at the rate of 10%? At the rate of 10% per year. यहाँ per year छुट्या छ. It means the percent भनेको साथ always per year. After how many years is the interest be the same for rupees 900 at the rate of 12% interest? What does it mean? Be clear about the question. Question बुझे. You cannot get the answer correctly. What is the interest of rupees? This part, this is very easy. To calculate the interest of this part is very easy. Now there is another question also. After how many years is the interest be same for rupees 900 at the rate of 12% interest? Here two things we have to find. One, in the first case we have to find interest. In the second case we have to find time. After how many years, you look here. It means we have to find time. Time in years. Now I think you are clear about question. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here two questions to look here. You look here. What is the interest of rupees 1080 after 4 years at the rate of 10% per year? From this one question. Here we have to find interest. Now second question you look here. After how many years? After how many years means time. We have to find that. Have to calculate here years. Because here saying here after how many years is the interest be the same for rupees 900 at the rate of 12% interest. So here is the important thing in the second part. Okay. In the second part. Okay, now participants increasing. Now 41. Okay. Look here, how to do it. Everyone, for the case one, here I want to divide in the two, look here, in two parts. Two cases here. So it will be easier like this. Everyone look here. Its solution. Okay, look here. Case one, first of all, case one. Look here. In case one, here principal P equal to 1080. Look, this is principal. And time is 4 years. Time equal to 4 years. Rate of interest R equal to, you look, rate of interest R equal to 10% per year. 10% per year. Okay. You look here. 10% per year. Okay. Now here we have to find interest. You know, to find the interest. What's the formula to find the interest? Principal given, time given, rate of interest given. Then which formula we have to use?
P into R by 100.
Yeah, it depends on situation. Don't you think always interest equal to that formula? But if the P given, T given, R given, in that case, I equal to, we have to use I equal to P into R upon 100. There is another formula, but it depends the given. Okay, which formula to use? It depends on given. Okay, so here P given, T given, R given, so we have to use here I equal to P into R upon 100, and this is very familiar formula. Okay. To calculate the interest. We have other formula also. Okay, let's see here. After this, we know I equal to P into T into R upon 100. So just substitute the values. We get the I in rupees. P equal to 1080. T equal to 4. R equal to 10. 100 in the denominator. 100 is 100. So now you cut this 0 with 0. From 10, 10. From 100, 10 you cut. And here 1080 also there is one last 0 you cut with this second 0 in the denominator. Okay, so here we get, if you multiply 108 and 4, we get 432. 108 into 4, 108 4 are 432. So this much is the interest. This is the answer of first question. First question, this one. Okay. Now we have to calculate the answer for second question. we have to calculate here time. So look here. Okay, look here, case 2 here. Now this I have taken is case 2. In case 2, principal equal to 900. You look here. Here, be clear. After how many years is the interest be same for rupees 900? This rupees 900 is principal. So here 12%, this is no confusion. This is R, rate of interest. R. And here I is how much? We have to write 432 because here you look the condition we have to apply. What is given? You look here, be the same, interest be the same for, you look, interest चाहिँ बराबर हुन्छ भनेको छ. यो 1080 को इन्ट्रेस्ट र 900 को इन्ट्रेस्ट चाहिँ बराबर हुन्छ भनेर उले दिएको छ कन्डिसन. So here interest, how much you have got from case 1, that much should be the interest for second case also. This is very, very important. Very, very important this. You have to apply the condition. Okay. Interest for this second one is 432. Okay. Now we have to find time t equal to how much? So this here also very important to calculate the time formula. How to calculate time already you know. Formula I equal to P into T into R upon 100. From there you can calculate time. Time equal to you know I into 100 upon P into R. You use that. Okay. Now you look here. We know equal to I into 100 upon 100 is 100. P equal to 900 into R equal to 12. Just cut and simplify into the simplest form. We get 4. If this 4 means years, like this means 4 years. So after this, you look here, we are going to start amount. You can see page number 144. After 11 number, there is amount. So you know amount. Amount means what? Already you know. Tell me.
Sir,
Anyone? Yeah.
sir, before starting amount, can you teach me how to phone number B?
Phone number B, rate given there. You change that mixed numbers, you change into improper fraction. 6 whole number 2 upon 3 means what? 20 upon 3. A number 4 upon 5, you have to change into the similar form. 6 whole number 2 upon 3 means 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 upon 3. So in place of R you have to substitute 20 upon 3. And very easy this. Time is 5 years and interest rupees 400. Then what's the problem here?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do try. Now okay, म यो पहिला अमाउन्ट सिधै हाल्छु. Okay? Then I'll go back. Okay, look here. अब अमाउन्ट भनेको by definition you know अमाउन्ट भनेको के हो? This is the sum of principal and interest. Amount भनेको principal and interest भयो. Okay, don't forget. So you look here, amount is the total sum of principal and interest. So therefore amount equal to principal interest I. So here we are going to formula, we are going to get the formula. So amount भनेको A भइहाल्यो, principal भनेको P, interest भनेको I. So A equal to P plus. अब यो I भनेको already we have learned. I go P into R upon 100. Just we are substituting the value of I. Okay, I, formula of I. Formula भनौँ न, I equal to P into T into R upon 100. So now after this you look here, I equal to, what we are going to do here, you look, we are taking common. यहाँ commonly, यहाँ P छ, P common we are taking. P common the bracket 1. This plus sign. अब p ले p into t into r upon 100 लाई डिवाइड गरो भने pp कट रिमेन्स देयर tr upon 100 त्यही tr अपडेट हो यो ब्राकेटमा ओके आफ्टर दैट यु लुक हियर अगेन वी आर सिम्प्लिफाइङ अझै पनि सिम्प्लिफाई हाउ वी आर सिम्प्लिफाइङ वी आर टेकिङ LCM हियर L in tr upon 100 here is 100 denominator is 100 so here 1 only whole number in that case what you are doing you have to multiply directly with the denominator this LCM with this 1 so p is p this 100 into 100 plus your tr upon tr हुने भइहाल्यो र LCM we have taken 100 so look here so this is the amount को फर्मुला यहाँ आयो amount भनेको के हुने रहेछ we are getting amount equal to p into 100 plus tr upon 100 so from this you look here formula we are getting here अब p equal to अघि नै हामीले माथि युज गर्ने फर्मुला चाहिँ के थियो p निकाल्ने फर्मुला I into 100 upon
I into 100 upon T into
upon 100 plus TR पनि रहेछ don't forget this is another formula so when to use this
formula use गरे नि हो
okay कति बेला यो फर्मुला युज गर्ने यहाँ हेर्ने यदि अमाउन्ट दिएको छ टाइम दिएको छ र r दिएको छ भने यो फर्मुला युज गर्ने र कति बेला p equal to I into 100 upon t into r चाहिँ कति बेला युज गर्ने त्यति बेला कति
प्रिन्सिपल नदिएको बेला
या a दिएको छैन भने तर a को ठाउँमा I दिएको छ भने कुन युज गर्ने भन्दाखेरि p equal to I into 100 upon के गर्ने t into r
into R.
it depends on situation हो एउटा कुरो निकाल्नको लागि पनि फरक फरक फर्मुला we have to use we have to apply त्यो कति बेला कुन फर्मुला युज गर्ने भन्ने कुरो यो गिभनमा भर पर्छ it depends on given so don't confuse भनेपछि सिचुएसनमा भर पर्छ it depends on situation okay okay after this you look here एउटा हेरी हालौं यसमा पनि एउटा एक्जाम्पल अब नम्बर 1 कै हेरौं न एक्सरसाइज 18.2 you open page number okay 147 18.2 number 1 नै हेरौं okay let's see here number 1 okay look here अब number 1 मा यहाँनेर हेर्ने ओके यो 1 नम्बर को कुन चाहिँ क्वेशन हो भने इट इज बी नम्बर त्यो बी नम्बर मैले अघि नै त्यहाँ अघि सोधेको थियो नि यहाँ पनि मिक्स नम्बर दिएको छ यहाँनेर ओके लुक हियर मिक्स नम्बर छ त्यो मिक्स नम्बरलाई हाउ टु चेन्ज ओके प्रिन्सिपल इक्वल टु रुपीस 1160 टाइम 4 इयर्स रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट 3 होल नम्बर 1 अपन 2% पर इयर अब यहाँ हामीलाई अमाउन्ट निकाला भनेको छ अघि नै भनेको छ अमाउन्ट भनेको छ यहाँनेर अमाउन्ट निकाल्ने सो अमाउन्ट निकाली हामीले युज गर्ने प्रिन्सिपल टाइम रेट युज गरेर अमाउन्ट निकाल्ने हो अमाउन्ट निकाल्ने फर्मुला अलरेडी अब गरे लुक हियर यहाँ के दिएको छ अमाउन्ट इक्वल टु p प्लस tr अपन 100 भनेपछि सबै दिएको छ नि p पनि छ हामीलाई चाहिने ओके अमाउन्ट निकाल्नको लागि अनि t पनि छ r पनि छ सबै छ भनेपछि जस्ट वी हैव टु सब्स्टिट्युट सो यु लुक हियर अब यसको सोलुसनमा कसरी गर्ने त ओके लुक एभ्रीवन यहाँ हेर्ने p भनेको रुपीस 2160 भयो e भनेको टाइम 4 इयर्स भयो r भनेको 3 होल 1/2% भयो यो पर इयर अब यसलाई मिक्स नम्बरमा चेन्ज गर्दाखेरि के हुने भयो यो मिक्स नम्बरलाई इम्प्रोपर फ्र्याक्सनमा चेन्ज गर्दा 2 3 जा 6 6 + 1 7 7/2 हुने भयो यु लुक हियर सो 7/2% पर इयर सबै कुरा छ हामीलाई चाहिने पीटी छ अमाउन्ट इक्वल टु हाउ मच सो अमाउन्ट वी क्याल्कुलेट नाउ यूज द फर्मुला करेक्ट फर्मुला to calculate amount we know okay look here we know amount a equal to p into 100 plus tr upon 100 just we are substituting p भनेको देकै छ रुपीस 2160 यो 100 भनेको 100 भइहाल्यो प्लस t भनेको 4 इयर्स दिएको छ r भनेको 7/2% छ त्यही हुनाले 7/2 इयर यु लुक upon 100 नाउ सिम्प्लिफाई गर्ने अब रुपीस 2160 प्लस 100 प्लस यहाँ कसरी 14 आयो त यो 2 चाहिँ डिनोमिनेटरमा छ यो 4 चाहिँ न्युमिनेटरमा छ सो वी क्यान कट यो भनेको यसरी गरेको भए पनि हुन्थ्यो 4 7 जा 28 28 डिवाइडेड बाइ 2 गरेको भए पनि 14 नै आयो सो यु लुक इन द न्युमिनेटर यहाँ हेर्ने इट्स भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट 4 into 7/2 छ यो 4 भनेको न्युमिनेटरमा छ into 7/2 7 न्युमिनेटरमा छ but 2 is in denominator so you can cut 2 and 4 यो 4 लाई 2 ले कट गर्ने भनेको 4 ले डिवाइड गर्ने it goes 2 times so 2 7 जा 14 यसरी आको यो 14 so in the denominator 100 is 100 which is equal to rupees 2160 into 114 कसरी आयो त look here 100 plus 14 8 गर्दा 114 आको now you multiply 2160 and 114 and you divide by 100 we get rupees 2462.40 this much is the amount आयो यति okay अब यसपछि I'll give you the okay 2 number another number अब यसलाई चाहिँ पछि अलि पछि हेरौँला यो भन्दा अगाडि let's go back okay I want to go back again as you asked me okay okay you look here immediately sorry simple interest hai okay simple interest you look okay I want to show quickly you look here simple interest these are the definitions simple interest you look here P means what R means what T means what A means what I means what you know these things and here calculation of simple interest also you know formula I equal to P into T into R upon 100 and from same formula we can get other also P I into 100 upon T into R T equal to I into 100 upon P into R R equal to 1 I into 100 upon P into T so here we are getting 4 formula okay 4 formula we are getting and next one you look here find the simple interest it's not difficult your principal is given 9,990 rate 24/5% and time equal to 1 month so how to change month into year already we have done here look principal P equal to 9,990 rate equal to 24/5% time T 1 month equal to 1/12 to change month into year we have to divide by 12 so interest I equal to you know P into T upon 100 just we are substituting rupees P equal to 9,990 into T equal to 1/12 where does the 12 where numerator here 12 is in the denominator here it goes in denominator so now here R equal to 24/5 so 24 is in numerator and 5 is in denominator you look here if you are substituting in wrong way you will get the wrong result now in the denominator 100 this 100 you look here this 100 here 100 now you multiply numerator and you divide you multiply denominator also if you multiply denominator you will get 6,000 if you multiply numerator all 9,990 and 24, you'll get, you look here, 2,39,760. If you divide this by 6,000, we get 39.96. Therefore, simple interest I equal to rupees 39.96. So you look here, another language problem also. It is more easy. It's also very easy. Manju deposited rupees 3,500. It means 3,500 in Nepal Bank Limited to get interest at the rate of 7% per year. How much interest will she get after 4 years? 4 वर्ष पछाडि मन्जुले कति चाहिँ इन्ट्रेस्ट, ओन्ली इन्ट्रेस्ट कति पाउँछ भनेर सोधेको छ यहाँनिर. So we have to calculate interest. Interest equal to, P into T into R upon 100, and just substitute and simplify. We get rupees 980. She will get rupees 980 after 4 years interest. Okay. Use the assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and try to do other remaining also. In the middle here, some number I have done. So here gap, and after this remaining also try to do. After 7 also try.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.